There's a possibility one can really make a lot of money with Terra Classic. Yes, imagine investing $100 right now on Terra Classic. This coin can really give you up to $7,200 return or $10,000 return, because Terra Classic right now need about 7,000 to 10,000% if Terra Classic is to reach 1 cent. And now, can this coin really reach that level? The answer is yes. With recent project they have been having, with recent support, Terra Classic can really pump price, but I don't think Terra Classic can reach $1. But I'm definitely be going for 1 cent. Yes, I'll be going for 1 cent. And for me now, I'm not even looking at 1 cent if I'm investing on more on Terra Classic. What I'm looking at is for Terra Classic to hit towards 500 to 1,000%. Definitely, I'm okay with such investment. I'm okay with such return. I'm okay with such profits, because putting in $100, returning $500 to $1,000. This is a very good investment for me. Okay, that is, it is difficult to see any investment outside industry, outside forex trading, outside financial institution that can return such level of profit within a short period of time. But what are the possibility that yes, the LUNC can reach this level? The possibility remains that Terra Classic need to burn almost 50% of their current supply. And not just that, Terra Classic also need a market cap of about $10 billion market cap in order to reach that level. Now, is there any possibility that this coin can hit 50% burning of this current supply and also $10 billion market cap? Oh yes, because recently, after the recent project they are having, LUNC have started getting more support. There have been so many trading industry, investment industry, billionaires and crypto industry having more interest on Terra Classic, monitoring Terra Classic LUNC, and this is why we believe that yes. And I also believe more exchanges will be listening this coin. We have more new exchange since this Terra Classic crashed, and there have been so many exchanges that are already emerged, and these exchanges definitely are ready to partner with Terra Classic. Now imagine there is no exchange that you can say that's small right now, because I remember that some small exchange are actually controlling over millions of dollars, okay, on a daily basis. Now Terra Classic still remains one of the top crypto coin, and once a king, always a king, because this coin was trading at $119 to $120 to $130 and before the crash. So they have that network, they have that little popularity, but I feel that all they need right now is to get more trust from the community. So I believe that yes, there's a possibility for this coin to pump again. There's a possibility for Terra Classic to rise again. So don't give up, but the only thing you need to understand about this crypto industry, especially on Terra Classic, is that do not invest more on Terra Classic right now, because Terra Classic need to bounce back. They need to start pumping before you can start thinking of investing a little more. So for me, I believe if I'm buy what you can afford to lose on Terra Classic, because anything can happen. So I'm also happy that there are so many exchanges, especially the top exchanges, that are also behind Terra Classic. And right now, all we are waiting for is for the crypto industry to bounce back again. I think the market cap of the crypto industry is about to hit $1.5 trillion, and definitely if the market cap of the crypto industry hit $1.5 trillion, we're expecting towards $3 trillion before the end of next year, which would further help every crypto coins to increase in price. Well, remember, this is not the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.